Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a device to the Smart Life application step by step. So first of all, you need to download and install the Smart Life application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have done that, you just have to launch the application and log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of Add Now button on the home page. So you just have to simply tap on the option of Add Now. Now it is going to redirect you on this particular page where it is going to basically search for the nearby devices. So first of all, you just have to tap on the option of Wi-Fi, then you need to turn on the Wi-Fi. Afterwards, tap on the option of Bluetooth, then you just have to simply select continue and then allow the Bluetooth permission. Now when both of these Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi are turned on, you are going to see this type of circle, meaning that it is now waiting for the device to come. So you need to simply power on your smart device, and when it comes over here in this particular section, you just have to tap on it and wait for it to connect it automatically. So once it is connected, you just have to come back here on the home page and you are going to see the device that you have connected over here. So this way you can do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.